In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets, combining them both horizontally and vertically to help streamline your spreadsheet tasks efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening your Google Sheets document. If you're not familiar with this, simply navigate to Google Drive, click on New, then Google Sheets to create a new spreadsheet. Now, let's start with the basics of merging cells horizontally. This is particularly useful when you want to create a heading or consolidate data across several columns. To begin, click and drag to highlight the range of cells you want to merge. In this example, let's highlight cells from C2 to G2. Once the cells are highlighted, you'll want to look at the toolbar at the top of your sheet. You should see an option called Merge Cells, which is usually represented by a small icon showing a square with two arrows merging into one. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it and select Merge Horizontally. This will combine the selected cells into one large cell without altering any of the data outside of that range. It's a simple way to create a seamless title across multiple columns. Next, let's move on to merging cells vertically. This technique is ideal for consolidating data from different rows into a single column. Click on cell C5 to start and then highlight down to C8, encompassing all the cells you want to merge vertically. Again, head over to the Merge Cells icon in the toolbar. Click the drop-down arrow, but this time select Merge Vertically. This will consolidate those cells into one, allowing you to enter content that spans all those rows without disrupting adjacent columns. So far, we've looked at horizontal and vertical merges separately, but what if you need to merge a block of cells that spans multiple rows and columns? Start by clicking on cell C10, then highlight a larger block, such as the cells from C10 to E13. Once highlighted, return to the Merge Cells drop-down in the toolbar and choose the Merge All option. This will create one single cell encompassing the entire block, giving you a neat and tidy space for your collective data. Remember, merging cells like this removes all data except for the content in the top left cell, so ensure that if you're working with data, it's backed up beforehand. And there you have it. Those are the essentials when it comes to merging cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're preparing a report, designing a template, or simply organizing your spreadsheet, these techniques make it easier to present information clearly and concisely. Practice these steps, and you'll be organizing your sheets like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.